Good day, listeners at home. So we are to solve this question. Given that b equals to 8 raised to the power of 1 over 1 minus log a to base 8 and c equals to 8 raised to the power 1 over 1 minus log b to base 8, express log a to base 8 in terms of log c to base 8. Now we are giving b to be 8 raised to the power of 1 over 1 minus log a to base 8. And also we are giving c to be 8 raised to the power 1 over 1 minus log b to base 8. Now what we are going to do is that when we look at what we are to do, that is we have to express log a to base 8 in terms of log c to base 8. That means we are going to take log to base 8 of both sides 8, and also here we take log to base 8, so that once the given base here is 8, in this log and also in this log we have base 8. Then we are going to take log to base 8 of b here, log to base 8 of b equals to log to base 8 of this, that is 8 raised to the power 1 over 1 minus log a to base 8. Here also we are going to take log to base 8 of c, and the other side too we take log to base 8 of this, that is so 1 over 1 minus log b base 8. Now, so from the rule of log reading, so log of a number to the base is 1, that is log 8 base 8 is 1. This one is coming here. So we have 1 over 1 minus log a to base 8. So log 8 to base 8. This will give us 1. The same thing applies here. Log c to base 8 equals to, this is coming here, 1 over 1 minus log b to base 8 times log a to base 8. This is also turn to 1. Therefore, we have log b to base 8 equals to 1 over 1 minus log a to base 8. And here also we have log c to base 8 equals to 1 over 1 minus log b to base 8. Now when you look at this equation here, this equation here, we can see that log to base 8, so that is log b to base 8 is common. What we are going to do, we are going to make log b to base 8 the subject of formula here, so that log b to base 8, what we are having here, we are now equating it together after making log b to base 8 to be subject of formula here. So this can be written, when you apply law of indices, that is 1 over, this can be written as 1 over this one. We want to write this one, we can change it as, if log c to base 8 equals to this, then 1 over log c to base 8 equals to, now we can change this one, we are going to have 1 minus log b to base 8. That is, the reciprocal of this one will turn to 1 minus log b to base 8. So this is what we are having now. Then we are making this subject of the formula, that is, we have log b to base 8. This is coming here, the minus will change to plus, then this will come and make 1 here. We have 1 minus 1 over, we have 1 over log c to base of 8. So log b to base 8 equals this and also equals to this on the other part. So therefore we have 1 over 1 minus log a to base 8. This part here is equals to this. So what we are having, log b to base 8 on the left hand side. So the expression here equals to here. Therefore this must be equals to this. So equals to 1 minus log, that is 1 minus 1 over log c to base 8. Now in this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to, let's find the SCM here. The SCM of this over 1, we are going to have log c to base 8. Then this goes here, log c to base 8 multiplied by 1, log c to base 8 minus 1. So we have 1 over 1 minus log a to base 8. Now, if we are having this one to be equals to this, it can be written as, so this can also be written, and we are going to make log log a to base b the subject of the formula. So to make log a to base 8 is subject of formula. We can write this one as 1 minus log by applying of indices. So the inverse of this will now turn to inverse of this too, as this log c to base 8 divided by log c to base 8 minus 1. So therefore, this can be written, this will be taken to this so that minus will change to plus, and we have log a to base 8 equals to, this has been taken here, then this is coming here. So we have 1 minus log c to base 8 divided by log c to base 8 minus 1. So then this one will now turn to, okay, we have this, we have to take away 1, and this one from 1. So that is, we have log c to base 8 minus 1 minus log c to base 8 divided by, we have log c to base 8 minus 1. So this cancel this. We have 1 over, that is minus 1 over log c to base 8 minus 1, which can be written. When you factorize minus out here, we have 1 minus, that is 1 minus 1 over minus 1, then open bracket here. The infinity plus here will turn to minus log c to base 8. This minus will cancel out. So which can be, we can conclude that log of a to base 8 equals to 1 over 1 minus log c to base 8. Therefore, log a to base 8 is now written, or is now expressed in terms of log c to base 8 as 1 over 1 minus log c to base 8. Thank you. Joseph?
Yeah.